Just sleeping and making $1,000 per day. Sounds like the perfect life, right? In today's video, I will show you how you can earn $1,000 every day by basically just sleeping. All you'll need to do is follow all the steps I walk you through in this video, and boom, get ready to sleep and earn cash. Plus, this method is completely free to use, and it's also available worldwide. Step 1. Head over to this website, Komen. As you can see, this website is used as an Instagram marketing tool, and it also offers content planning solutions. Now, don't worry, you will not require thousands of Instagram followers for this method. You won't even need to have an Instagram account at all to make money using this method. So, as you can see, people can use this website to grow and manage their audience on Instagram, as well as schedule Instagram posts and stories. And if you scroll to this part right here, all these big companies such as Forbes and Product Hunt are using this tool to grow their Instagram. So this means that there's a lot of money to be made now. How do we make money using this website? Scroll down to the very bottom of the page right here, and under Company, I want you to click on Affiliate. As you guessed correctly, you will be making money as a Komen affiliate. Now you must be thinking, how will you drive people to your affiliate link? Well, later, I will reveal to you a completely free method through which you will be able to send millions, yes, millions of people to your affiliate link. So as you can see here, you will earn 50% commission on every sale when someone buys one of Komen's plans using your affiliate link. Now let's check out how much you will be paid. If you look right here at commission fees, as you can see, with a personal plan that Komen offers, if only one person purchases it, that is, if you make one sale, you will get a $7.50 commission, and if someone purchases the business plan, you will get paid $15. And check this out. If you get 50 people to purchase a Komen subscription, if they buy the personal plan, you will make $112.50, while with the business plan, you will make $750. And don't forget, you will be sending millions of free traffic to your affiliate link. So just imagine the kind of money you have the potential to make with this. Now if you click on Affiliate Agreement right here and go to Payment, check this out. They pay out via PayPal. So make sure you have a PayPal account ready to receive your payments. Also, if you look here, you need to make a minimum of $400 in commissions before you can withdraw your money. They have a high withdrawal threshold because so many people are making good money with this website. So let's sign up to become an affiliate. To sign up, let's go to the affiliate program again. And now right here, we simply click on Apply Now. Now all you need to do is fill in these details. For website right here, you don't need to own a website. You can simply leave it blank, or you can enter your YouTube channel link here if you have one. But as I said earlier, it's totally fine to leave it blank. So once you complete the details and you sign up, you will then have to wait for about a day before you receive an email from them, which will tell you that you've been approved as an affiliate. Then you can get your affiliate link. Step 2. I will now show you an article that I wrote myself, and that will allow you to put in your affiliate link and make tons of money. And that too, all for free. You will be able to directly download this from the link in the description. If you're finding this video helpful so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so that you can be the first one to get notified of every new Make Money Online video. And ultimately, you make the most money before others find out. As you can see, this is the article that I wrote myself. It's about how to grow quickly on Instagram in 5 steps. As you can see, first, I've talked a bit about how to plan their content strategy for Instagram. Then here, I have talked about using branded hashtags to grow an audience. And finally, on number 3, I talk about the shortcut ways to grow quickly on Instagram. And as you can see right here, it says insert your affiliate link here. This means you will have to remove this part and replace it with your own affiliate link so you can make money when people sign up to Coinbin using your affiliate link. By first offering value and then telling people to buy something, they'll be more likely to complete the purchase rather than you just throwing a link at them. And you will be giving this 5-step guide to them for free, which will again motivate them to purchase the recommended product from you. And as you can see, in the last step as well, you will get to insert your affiliate link again, so if they did not purchase the product using your link, they get a chance to do so again, and you get another chance to make a sale and make money. Now, once you've replaced these links with your own affiliate links, go ahead and download the file as a Microsoft Word document. Step 3. Go to shorturl.at. SlideShare is a place where people like you and me share articles on all kinds of topics. And SlideShare gets millions of visitors every month. If you check out this article right here, SlideShare Statistics and Facts 2022, scroll down to user count. And now check this out. SlideShare has 80 million users. That's a lot of users. And if only 5% of this many people clicked on your link and made a purchase, imagine the kind of money you will be making. Now I want you to click on this sign up button here. And as you can see, to sign up to SlideShare, you will have to sign up to Scribd. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, or some other email. I'll simply sign up using Google, and voila! As you can see, the sign up is done. Now click on Upload, and you'll be taken to a page like so. Here, you need to upload the Word document that contains your affiliate link. Now you'll need to add some more information before the document is published. For the title here, we can keep it the title of the Word document itself, which is How to Grow Quickly on Instagram in 5 Steps. Now for description, you can simply put in Free Guide for Growing a Big Audience on Instagram. For category, select Social Media. And for tags, you can put in tags like Instagram and Instagram Grow. For privacy, it needs to be on public so everyone can see it. And finally, you can now hit Publish and simply close your laptop and go to sleep once you set this up for yourself.